Hello my friends, welcome to this channel. Today I have the AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. This CPU has got a base speed of 3.8 gigahertz and a max clock speed of 4.4 with a 237 price tag. It's not bad. Now thinking about the Intel 5-10400 just came out with a price tag of $182 with the same specifications of this. Is going to be like a tough competition, but like if you're like AMD or if you like Intel, is your choice. Now they have the same specs, about the same max speed 4.4, the same cores, 6 core 12 threads, and it's got about, I think the Intel has got a little bit more advantage for gamers, but like I see no difference between those two right now. This is the great competition for the i5. It's got the same specs and it's a little expensier right now. It's about $237. With Intel was that beat the competition, dropped the prices down, they dropped it to $182. Now this is the AMD Ryzen 5. I hope you like it. I will leave you with that unbox. You like the AMD. It's a pretty nice car. It comes with everything you need for your construction. If you want to use whatever things in the box, or if you want to use anything else, you know, you could use it. I'm talking about a cooler, but we'll talk about that later. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. You know, hit the bell for those new notifications with the new videos coming up and the new build for this PC once we have all the parts and pieces. Have a great day.